Did you know I'm a wizard?
No, but did you know that I'm Donald? I'm your daddy. That's my magic.
Alright, Ian Laz, where are you?
They're eating our dogs. They keep eating our cats. We gotta get them back. We gotta get our dogs.
Did you say they're touching our cats?
They're eating our cats. They're eating our dogs. They're eating our animals. It's terrible.
Who is
Alright, prepare for battle, man. For pressure.
These damn animal eaters, you know, it's terrible.
Who is the fellowing officer here?
Who the fuck is eating the cats?
My fellow Americans.
The aliens, the Democrats.
Desperate time, I call
Is that Carl Wheezer? I love you.
Oh my
I
god.
love you, Carl.
and send
Carl, I love
the
you.
Italian pieces of shit to
I just want to say, Carl, I love you. I love you. Don't leave me.
Give his mom the kidnapped
Carl, I love you. Come over here. Come over here, Carl. Oh my god, I love you. Come over here. I love watching
Those
the
darn
show.
dirty Italians are out
Cartoon.
there.
Jimmy Neutron was a beautiful show. Beautiful show.
You play those drums for me.
Now come over here. Don't run away. Come back here. You're mine. Come over here. Be a good boy. Come back here. Come over here. Don't run away.
Digging his butt.
I just want to say that you're a beautiful person. You're a beautiful human being. If you might be chubby on the cheeks, a little bit fat, you know, I am. You know, I just want to say I love you. You're beautiful. You're very big. We love big. We love large.
Digging his butt.
Very round.
Very round. Oh my god, like that wall. We love that wall. Beautiful wall. Look at that wall. It's a beautiful wall.
That didn't go so
Miss you, fuck.
last time.
What is Mort? Why would you cut off my fucking legs?
I'm gonna get him with this fucking bait at you.
Oh my god, they have artillery. Fucking do, I'm scared.
Or don't sacrifice yourself.
King Julian! I have your hands, King Julian!
Oh, is that you again? Come over here. Carl. Oh my god, I love you, Carl. Carl, I love you. I love that show.
Carl, we've got more. What the fuck?
It's a good day to be a
I'm
freshman.
Donald. I love your dad.
Have winners. What do you think we have?
Oh my god, they're
I
charging.
think it's already over, guys.
I'm gonna come. I'm coming.
Fix band next. They're gonna come.
I'm coming.
Hey,
You know, they keep asking.
They're eating dogs. They're eating dogs.
I had 4 years to put it in. Fucking scared. I don't want to die here.
fucking headshot. Take that, you Italian.
Fuck, only no.
Right outside!
My fellow Americans, I just want to say I love you. I hope you win this thing.
I got a lot of black folks. They're eating dogs. And they're eating
All our dogs and our animals. But that's why we have animal control. We have ice. We love ice. We love ice.
Easy count on me.
Oh, we're fucked. We're fucked. Oh shit, it's over. It's over.
Hold the line! Hold the line!
Oh my god, that's a bomb.
Oh my god, get inside. Get inside. Get inside now. We gotta get back in the White House. They're coming. Move, you bastard. Move. Oh my god. Get inside. Get inside. Get inside. Oh my god, that's an artillery shell.
Get inside, close the door, and hit the wall.
Oh, you're only punching me because you voted Kamala, and that's why she never should. That's the problem.
Fucking touch us, Kamala, Lord Biden.
In my last... I won. I always win.
Kamala, Lord Biden, is King Trump.
I'm your daddy. I'm your daddy.
I just have don't do this.
Thank you so much, Soviet man. I love you. No homo.
Wheezer.
wanna fight me? Why do you wanna fight? You wanna fight only because you lost? You lost. You're a loser. Look at you. You lost. Look, I put hands on anybody. I always win. Big bombs. We had a lot of bombs and we won.
Shot him in the head. How is he still alive?
I'm always alive. Look at them. They keep trying to kill me. It's very sad, but they keep failing. They keep missing. You know, it took them 8 shots and they still missed. Only if they use
This is hell. This is hell. This is what hell is
They
like.
couldn't even hit a big square.
Get on the cannons, guys. Get on the cannon.
What the fuck is this? Use the buckshot. I can't handle this.
Get him.
Stand the fuck up. Keep firing down, you fucking cowards. Come down, cease up. Fuck like a real man. Come down, cease up. Who are we fighting right now? The Italians, right? Come down, cease up. Fuck like a real man. Come down, cease up. Fuck like a real man.
Yes, we're fighting Italy. We're fighting Italy.
Come down, cease up. Fuck like a real man. Come down, cease up. Proof. I can't it doesn't happen. That's a shit. You piece of shit. You come here and make that.
They're pushing up.
It's horrible. Good job.
Come over here. They're
coming, boys, and so am I.
Carl, where are you? Don't die, Carl.
I got this one, bro.
Carl, come back here. Carl, come back here. Come back inside.
I got lobster.
I need you to kill more people now.
Come back, please. Come back inside. It's not safe.
Shadow, I need you to kill more.
It's not safe.
Russian. Talk right now. What the fuck is going on in this hellscape?
It's called communism and we're winning.
Are we winning?
Experiment laws, get in there.
Are you winning?
I don't think we're winning.
That's why we saw. I love Trump Tower. Look at that beautiful tower.
Shit.
Fucking purgatory.
It's the best.
I want to be in the Trump Tower.
We love the Trump Tower. It's so big. It's as big as
So big.
Bigger.
We love Trump Tower. It's the strongest tower, the greenest tower, bristling with muskets. Best tower. It's
Here they come, men. Here they come. Get ready.
We're killing so many of these dirty Italians from the tower. I shouldn't try to imitate. I shouldn't be trying to imitate our leader.
Anti-spaghetti
It feels bad.
Anti-spaghetti rhetoric for it.
I would fix bayonets, guys. They're getting awfully fucking close.
Left side.
So terrible.
No, Wheezer, you better get your ass up there or else you're gonna be down there. It's a bad place down there. It's very scary. Come back here. I'll give you a cheeseburger. Love the burgers.
To the last, man. Don't let me filthy cheesy or something alive.
It's nice and cheesy. Come on here. I can't lose you, Cole. I cannot lose you. You're my one and only.
Where's Jack?
my God, we lost Carl. Can you believe that he died? Oh my God, I'm so sad. We need to train. We need to take these guys out as fastly as we can at the bush. Get ready.
Where's Jimmy's mom?
They're coming. Fix bayonets.
They're coming.
Here we come, man. Here we go. This is gonna be a beautiful fight here. Here we go. Here we go.
Go back to Olive Garden.
Back to Olive Garden.
Where's Jimmy's mom? Where's Jimmy?
That's something that Kamala likes. Olive Garden. You know, she's so thin. She's probably vegetarian.
Olive Garden.
She's probably vegetarian. Here we go. It's getting close, man. It's gonna be that time. Here we go. Get ready.
I hope you are stopped by animals. Where could I be up here for the rest of our fucking lives, gentlemen?
Carl, come over here. Let me
Carl Wheezer. Carl Wheezer and Trump. Carl Wheezer and Trump Tower.
Stop coming.
This is Trump Tower. Welcome to Trump Tower, the most beautiful, biggest tower. We love this tower.
Try the taco salad.
Get these cannons going, boys. Get the cannons
We love
going.
tacos. We love
I
our
have no
tacos.
idea how the fucking
Taco
cannons work.
Tuesday is really nice. Have you ever been to Taco Tuesday at Taco Bell? We love our tacos. We love our big booty Latinas. We love our Latinas.
Get those fucking muskets out the windows, boys.
Put them all in one place.
I got big booties and big boobies. It's beautiful.
Latinas are
Ice
wearing
is
jazz.
contain it.
Wait a minute, look at the train, Jimmy's mom! No!
Hello, does anybody know where I can find a daddy Latino with a big booty?
They're rushing.
Latina.
Donald Trump shot JFK!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hold strong. Hold fast.
Here they come, man. Here they come. Get ready.
Hold fast, gentlemen! It's the Hold fast!
I'm putting my bayonet back on. It's over.
This is our Alamo, gentlemen. This is our Alamo.
Get away from the windows. They can shoot you through the windows. Watch the windows. Watch the windows.
It was an honor.
I am cute and fluffy!
Have no chance. They have no chance.
Oh God, it was an honor, gentlemen. It was an honor.
Oh my God.
It's been an honor, Donald Trump and Carl Wheezer.
You as well. It's been an honor. I love you. God bless you. God bless America.
I'll remember serving with you all for the rest of my very, very short life.
I love you, Donald Trump. You did nothing wrong with our country.
Here they come. Here they come. Get ready.
Hold the line!
Come get him!
Hold the line, fucking Julio!
With this thing. Keep it up, man. Keep it up. Don't let low. Don't let go. We got this.
Get to that, boys!
I wanna fight him. Let me get in there. Come on, let me have him. Let me have his ass.
Fix your swords!
Don't let up. Don't let up there.
Johnny T's in the
Alright, I have a honey pack.
Let me get him.
Go!
Let me get him.
Let me up there. I gotta fucking help.
Get off of them!
Guys, get out of the way.
Guys!
Bandits!
Get out of the way. I'm gonna fight the leader. I'm here. Johnny's here, boys.
Come on, Daddy, get him, Daddy! Get out! snack bar. Aloha snack bar. Aloha. Aloha snack bar. Aloha snack bar.
And just like that, you fell. You fell just like the Perusian.
Aloha snack bar.
The thing is, Russia's not even
Aloha snack bar.
weak country, weak defenses. Jimmy's mom is? I really want to see Jimmy's mom.
Thoughts tonight.